Wouldn't it be great if you found a way from which you can make hundreds and thousands of dollars all while staying at the comfort of your home? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. All you have to do is come over to this website, create your own custom cards, and then just sit back, relax, and enjoy your passive income. Hello guys, how's it going? I hope you're all doing fine. And in today's video, I'm going to show you a method with which you can make more than $1,000 every single day without doing any real work. Now, what's awesome about this method is that it doesn't require any fancy equipment, skill, or experience, and you can even start making money right after you finish watching this video. Now, this method is available worldwide and it's only a few months old, so it is guaranteed to work through 2021 guys. The following video will be a really in-depth tutorial, so make sure to pay close attention and make sure you don't skip any steps with which you can maximize your profits guys. So make sure you subscribe to the channel guys, because we are regularly uploading new videos about how you can make money online. So without any further ado guys, let's jump into step number 1.
Hi, if you're watching this, then you have to know we're doing a brand new giveaway on our channel. We're going to be giving away the new iPhone 12 Pro Max or the MacBook Pro. It is your choice. Just watch the video completely and make sure to like the video, comment the hidden keyword down below, and be sure to subscribe.
So in step number 1, what I want you guys to do is come over to Zazzle.com. Now Zazzle.com is an amazing website where you can create your customized postcards, pamphlets, or greeting cards, or even business cards, whatever you want. You can come over to Zazzle.com and it will help you create an amazing card that is going to blow everyone away. And the great thing about this website is that it's completely free and you don't really need to invest in it at all. So having said that, let's just check out a few different options that this website provides. So as you can see over here on the left side, we have a couple of different options. So at the top we have these 3 bars. So when we click on it, we have a lot of different options and categories. So we have invitation cards, wedding cards, business cards, and many more. And at the bottom we have trending, we have my stuff, we have live, we have explore, and we have create. So let's just check out the trending tab so we can get a better understanding of what people are mostly buying these days, and we can then try to recreate them with the help of the tools that this website provides. So when we click on trending, birthday cards and business cards are very popular as of this moment right now. We even have bridal showers and some wedding invitations as well. Now I'm going to show you how you can create all 4 of these with the help of the tools that this site provides. So if we go down over here at create, and if you scroll down, these are all the independent creators that are trending on this site. And we can also become one of these trending creators with the proper dedication and the will of commitment towards this website. So at the bottom of all these options, if we click on the create, we will be greeted by all these different templates. So we have text elements, we have blank products, we have illustrations, we've got backgrounds, we've got social media templates, and we also have Zoom backgrounds as well. We can choose whichever one we want, but we're not here for all of these. We're here to create our very own custom card. So what I want you guys to do is click on the 3 bars at the top. Over here, when you hover your mouse over on create your own option, we will be greeted by all these different options, such as cards, we've got home decor, we've got office decors, we've got wall arts, we've got invitations, accessories, electronics, and many more. So what we're here to do is create cards. So having said that, we can now move on to step number 2. Now in step number 2, what I want you guys to do is click on greeting cards over here. And over here, as we can see, we have the option of creating our very own custom card or customizing the existing designs. And at the bottom, we have some Zazzle inspirations as well, and some different templates that we can use as well. We can even shop all kinds of different designs. So let's just click on this one option right here, where we have to create our very own card so that you guys can know the whole process. And it is a very easy to use tool that allows you to customize all the cards from scratch. You can even upload pictures or add a unique message or create a personalized card as well. So what I want you guys to do is click on shop all designs, and the website will look something like this. So over here we have a lot of different options. So we have some pre-made greeting cards. Once we created them, they will look something like this. These are called the folded greeting cards, and we can create some as well. So over here, these are some of the shop's popular categories. As we can see, we have some Father Day gift cards, we have some wedding gift cards, some thank yous, birthday, graduation, sympathy cards, and many more. Now, as you can see, a lot of these cards go for different prices. So this card goes for $2.70, this card goes for $190, and this one goes for almost $30. Now, what's special about this card is that it's a jumbo card. It's almost half the size of your own body. Now, at the bottom over here, we have all these different cards. We have sympathy cards, we have thank you cards, we have birthday cards, and many more. All these cards go for $3 or $2, and there are some that go for $1. So let's just do a little bit of calculations to see how much we can earn from this website alone. Let's just take an average of $2, because at minimum the cards sell for more than $1, and at the maximum we can get 30, but that's the jumbo card. We don't need that. Let's just take these normal sized ones. So we have $3, we have $2, and we have $1. So let's just average it out to $2. Now, if we do a little bit of calculations and just say that you hypothetically sold 30 cards a day, which goes for around $2, you just made $60 a day. Now, if we multiply that with a month, which is 30 days, you get around $1,800. Now, $1,800 a month just from this website, all while creating a few different logos, and that is basically it. You won't even have to sell those cards because Zazzle sells it for you. Now, Zazzle sells it for you. It will promote it for you. It will sell it for you. It will do everything. All you have to do is create your own personal card and let Zazzle do the rest. You don't even have to do anything. All you have to do is make a card and then leave it all to Zazzle. So having said that, let me show you how you can create your very own custom card by using the tools that Zazzle provides us. So once we click on here, so let's just take this template for example. Let's just click on it. And as we can see, we have a lot of different options. We can change the font on the outside. We can change the text on the inside. We can add some text on the background, some orchids, and some small plants to make the overall aesthetic pleasing. So let's just click on the front, and over here we have some envelopes. We can choose the envelopes as well. And now, as we can see over here, we can add our own custom image, or we can choose multiple images that Zazzle provides. So let's just check on the text here. Once we click on add text, we can add multiple text over here. So now that we've added our text, we can see that we can drag and drop it. We can even change the color. We can change the font style. As you can see, this site has a lot of different font styles. Let's just choose this one over here, which I think is more elegant. So once we've chosen that one, we can even change the size of the text. We can increase it or decrease it. We can change its color. We can rotate it, flip it. We can do all sorts of customizations, and it is very easy to use. So when we click on backgrounds, we can choose different background images or different colors. Let's just choose this image over here just to show you how it basically will look like. So as we can see, it looks pretty nice. Now we can add more things to it. We can add more icons or elements that we can see. We have some different shapes over here that we can add, some lines as well. We can increase the size of it. We can even delete this. We can even delete the things that we don't want. Now over here, we can add different icons to make it more overall pleasing. Now, as we can see, that's basically it. We've just created our very own card without doing anything, and all you have to do is click on done. And that is basically it. Now this card, as you can see, can go around for $270, and that was basically it. It literally took me 2 minutes to create our very own custom card, and this card can sell for around $2.70, as you can see over here on the pricing. So what are you guys waiting for? Simply just come over to this website, sign up, and start creating your own custom cards, create and make hundreds and thousands of dollars, all passively, all automatically. Now before I end this video, guys, I do want to tell you another great website that is similar to this website, which is called brandcrowd.com. Now unlike Zazzle, BrandCrowd is a website where you specifically create logos. Now at the top right here, we have a couple of different options. Now underneath logos, we have a couple of different options. We have some popular keywords and top industries, and we have Logo Maker where we can create our own logos, and we have some logo designs where this website will simply give us a design of our own. So if we click on logo ideas, we can just simply enter in the text that we want, and it will generate logo ideas for us, and we don't even have to create a logo over here on this website. So let's just enter in Money Machine and enter. Now as we can see, we have all these different logos, all that are related to Money Machine. As you can see, these logos are pretty good as well, and as we can see at the bottom of all these logos, we can even edit these logos or download them directly. So what are you guys waiting for? Just use these two websites to create your own logos and postcards or business cards or invitations, where you can make hundreds and thousands of dollars, all passively and all on complete autopilot, all while staying at the comfort of your homes. Now, having said that, guys, I do want to thank you guys for watching this video, and if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications so you won't miss out on any future videos that we post on this channel. We make a lot of videos related to making money online, and it would be a shame if you missed a video with which you can make hundreds and thousands of dollars. And having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, goodbye.